Hey everyone, welcome to Sheba's Cookery World. Today's recipe is a super healthy tea made from blue pea or butterfly pea flowers. These flowers are rich in antioxidants, reduces stress and anxiety. They are beneficial for hair and skin, has anti-inflammatory properties as well as immune system boosting benefits. And the list just goes on. You can either use dried or fresh flowers to prepare this tea. In case you are not able to find the fresh ones, the dried blue pea flowers are easily available online. Click the red subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification of new videos. To prepare the tea, I'm going to keep some water for boiling. I'm making the tea today with fresh blue pea flowers which I collected during my morning walk. I have washed them thoroughly. The water has started boiling. I'm gonna now add in the blue pea flowers to this. I'm just removing the sepal or the green portion because I want my tea to be blue in color. With the sepal, it will be slightly on the green side. Now we will let this boil for around 8 to 10 minutes or until the water gets infused with the blue pea color. Now you can see that the flowers have turned pale and the water is completely blue. You can turn off the stove at this stage. Set this aside for a couple of minutes so that it comes down to room temperature. Filter the tea and pour it into the serving glasses. I just love that intense blue color. Now as a sweetener, we will add in some honey. We will squeeze in some lemon. The moment you add in the lemon juice, the color just starts changing. Just mix in the lemon juice and the honey and your magical blue pea tea is ready. I just love these colors, they look so awesome. The blue pea tea as such does not have any flavor of its own. So when you take a sip, you just get the lemon and the honey flavors. Since blue pea has innumerable benefits, I am planning to make this as part of my regular routine. I hope you guys would also include this as part of your regular diet and take advantage of the numerous benefits that this tea provides. So do try this recipe and let me know how it turns out. Give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and post your feedback in the comment section below. And follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter and Blogger. Click below to subscribe to my channel and do not forget to hit the bell icon for notification of new videos.